राधे राधे भाई, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम है श्रीजी। आज का जो हमारा चैप्टर है वो है प्रेगनेंसी, डिलीवरी एंड लेगिमेटी, न्याय वैदिक दृष्टि से गर्भावस्था, प्रसव एवं उनकी वैधता। प्रेगनेंसी मेडिको लीगल importance definition. It is a condition which occur in female when she carries a fertilized ovum within the uterus. It is likely to occur during the period between the puberty and menopause. Sign of pregnancy तीन में है: presumptive sign, probable sign और conclusive sign. प्री-समिटिव साइन है एमोनिया, मॉर्निंग सिकनेस, सिम्पथेटिक डिस्टर्बेंस, ब्रेस्ट चेंजेस, स्किन पिगमेंटेशन, क्विकरिंग, वेजाइनल चेंजेस, यूरिनरी डिस्टर्बेंस. प्रोबेबल साइन है एब्डोमेन चेंजेस, ओएस सॉफ्टनिंग, सर्वाइकल म्यूकस प्लग, यूट्राइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, बेल्टोमेंट, यूट्राइन सपल्स. बायोलॉजिकल टेक्स्ट लाइक ह्यूमनोलॉजिकल टेक्स्ट. कन्वर्शन साइन है एफएसएच, फीटल हार्ट साउंड, फीटल मूवमेंट, फीटल रेडियोग्राफ, फीटल यूएसजी, ब्लड टेस्ट. साइन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी एमिनोरिया, मॉर्निंग सिकनेस, सिम्पथेटिक डिस्टर्बेंस, ब्रेस्ट चेंजेस, skin pigmentation, quivering, vaginal changes, urinary distribution. Amenorrhea, menstruation normally ceases with impregnation and does not reoccur until some months after childbirth. However, other causes should be evaluated. Morning sicknesses, this often only amount to nausea and occasionally vomiting, which takes place on getting up in the morning. It is usually marked in a prima gravida. Sympathetic disturbance, salivation, perverted appetite and irritability of the temperature. Now breast changes में क्या देखने के लिए मिलेगा आपको? The breast increases and the size and becomes firm. There is a deposit of pigment around the nipple and montgomery tubercle upper by the end of the second month. By the third month, a clear transparent secretion can be squeezed out of the nipple, known as colostrum. It is a thin yellowish fluid consisting of fat globule and large phagocytic cell filled with droplet of fat. Skin pigmentation, the vulva become darker in color. A dark line extends from pubis to beyond the umbilicus. The so-called linea nigra quivering. This is a mother's subjective sensation of the movement of the fetus and occur at about 4 to 4.5 months. Vaginal changes, mucous membrane of vagina gradually changes from pink to violet and then deepens to blue, known as Chadwick sign. Urinary disturbance, frequent maturation due to the presence of gravida uterus. Abdomen changes, probable sign क्या है? Abdomen changes होता है progressive enlargement of the abdomen in a prima facie evidence of the pregnancy. The upper level of the uterus at different period: third month पे in pelvic cavity, fourth month पे just above the symphysis pubis, fifth month पे midday between the symphysis pubis and the umbilicus, sixth month पे at the level of umbilicus, seventh month पे midway between the umbilicus and zympha sternum, eighth month पे at the level of zympha sternum, ninth month पे below the level of zympha sternum. OS softening, the cervix is felt at the soft as the lip. This is called a Godwell sign. If non-pregnant woman, it is felt as hard as nail. Cervical mucus plug, the cervical is blocked by thin viscous mucus plug. Uterine contraction and relaxation there are felt by the palpopendent कर रहे थे. This is a test to elect the presence of the fetus floating in the liquor amine from the 4th to 7th month. There are two methods of elect based, external as well as internal. External में it is elected by placing the palms from both hand on the abdomen on either side of the midline and giving a sudden impulse by the finger of the one hand towards the other when the fetus moves the direction of it to push. Internal, it is carried out by giving a simple sudden impulse to the fetus by means of two fingers inserted in interior fornix. The fetus move up and can be felt by the other hand placed on the abdomen. Uterine supple, this is soft blowing murmur hard on the either side of the uterus by escalation just above the inguinal ligament from about the 4th month onwards. Biological test, this depends on the presence of gonadotropic hormone in the blood and urines of pregnant and detect. Agglutation inhibition test is now in common use and based on the antigenic property of HCG. Conclusive sign FSH, fetal heart sound होती है. After 4 to 5 months, the pulsation of fetal heart may be recognized and counted. A fetal heartbeat establishes the fact of the pregnancy beyond all disputes and shows the child is living. Fetal movement may be felt by placing the hands on the abdomen about the 4th month and may be seen by the 5th month. Fetal radiograph under favorable condition, the presence of fetus may be diagnosed. The X-ray examination as such, X-ray explode mid the fetus. It can be only in the emergency conditions. Fetal USG, the procedure is to detect the fetal heartbeat as early as 12th week. It can be indicate the size, growth, and any physical abnormalities of the fetus. Blood test presence of the fetal cells in the mother cell can be detected as early as possible as 5th week of the pregnancy. Medical legal importance of pregnancy, civil cases, criminal cases, miscellaneous civil cases. Pregnancy becomes soon after the death of a husband. Should be inquiry into the allegation. The woman who complained about pregnancy by someone and want to be married him, but men are refused. When woman blackmails a gentle, when forces him to that she is pregnant by husband, a widow or married woman living separate from her husband has been defamed or liable to be pregnant. It is possible that a surgeon may terminate a pregnancy by carrying out surgery on the uterus. Criminal cases क्या होते हैं? When pregnancy is alleged to have a motivate for suicide or murder of a married woman or widow. In case of infanticide or alleged concealed of the pregnancy, the question of pregnancy may be arise in criminal. Abortion, miscellaneous, when a pregnant woman advances a pregnancy as a plea to avoid attendance in the court as a witness in an important trial. When a condemned woman pledges pregnancy as bar to hard labor or exclusion. Definition है डिलीवरी मेडिको लीगल इम्पोर्टेंस क्या होती है हमारी कि डेफिनेशन है द एक्सक्लूसिव और एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ द चाइल्ड इज कॉल्ड अ डिलीवरी. Sign of recent delivery in living, sign of recent delivery in death. Changes in breast दोनों में देखने को मिले. Changes in abdomen दोनों में होगा. Changes in vulva पर डेड में यूट्रस और सर्विक्स में भी होगा. यूट्रस देखने के लिए मिलेगा डिलीवरी में. वेजाइनल डिस्चार्ज होगा डेड में, और सर्विक्स एंड वेजाइनल डिस्चार्ज दोनों देखने के लिए मिलेगा लिविंग में. और डेड में क्या होगा? यूट्रस इंटरनल एग्जामिनेशन करना पड़ेगा. साइन ऑफ रिसेंट डिलीवरी इन द लिविंग, चेंजेस इन ब्रेस्ट होगा, चेंज इन एब्डोमेन, चेंज इन वल्वा, चेंज इन यूट्रस. ठीक है, तो ब्रेस्ट में एनलार्ज होगा, टेंस होगा, नॉटी होगा. द सर्वेज वेन्स आर डायलेटेड एंड दिस इज डार्क पिगमेंटेड राउंड द निम्पल. स्ट्रेट आर seen on the breast and monitory tubercles are found on Prussian colostrum can be spaced out for about 10 days after delivery. It is replaced by milk thereafter. Abdomen में legs होगा, shows stripe gravidium and vena nigra. Vulva में bruised and gaping the vagina in the roomy. The foregut and posterior commission are destroyed and perineum may be lacerated. Uterus, it is large, it is does not shrinks to its original size immediately after delivery. Fundus diminished at the rate of 1 per day. Duration of the delivery, साइट ऑफ फंडस ऑफ यूट्रस 0 डे है, 2.5 सेंटीमीटर बिलो द अम्बिलिकस है, 2 से 3 दिन है. इन द लोअर एब्डोमेन अबव द पेल्विस, फील्स हार्ड लाइक क्रिकेट बॉल. 10th डे है, ऑन द लेवल ऑफ ब्रिम ऑफ पेल्विस. 2 से 3 वीक है, बिलो द लेवल ऑफ पीविस इनटू द पेल्विक कैविटी. 6 वीक है, नॉर्मल साइज में देखने के लिए मिलता है. चेंज इन द सर्विक्स, सर्विक्स इज सॉफ्ट एंड पेल्विस एंड इट्स एज इज ड्रॉन एंड लैक्रेटेड ट्रांसफर्सली. इंटरनल ऑस बिगिन टू क्लोज विद इन द फर्स्ट 24 hours. External also soft and patent, admitting 2 fingers the for first few days and 1 finger with difficulty. At the end of the week it closes in 2 weeks. आगे है, there is a vaginal discharge with particular sole desecrable order. This discharge is known as lochia. It contains red cell leukocyte, decidual debris, vaginal epithelium, peptones, cholesterol. Lochia is a discharge in which a part of the healing process of the uterus after the delivery. The color changes of vaginal discharge are as follows. First 3 days bloody stain, lochia rubra. 3 to 6 days paler and serous, lochia serosa. 6 to 9 days yellowish or greyish and then whitish, lochia alba. About 15 days it disappears. मृत में प्रसव के वर्तमान लक्षण. साइन ऑफ द रिसेंट डिलीवरी इन द डेथ, चेंज इन ब्रेस्ट, एब्डोमेन, वल्वा, यूट्रस एंड सर्विक्स, vaginal discharge same as recent delivery in living. Uterus internal examination, the uterus can be seen undergoing involution till reaches its normal size in about 6 weeks. Changes the shape and size of the uterus after delivery. फुल टर्म में 20 लेंथ, थिकनेस, विथ, अदर चेंजेस देखो क्या होंगे. लेंथ होगी 20 to 30 सेंटीमीटर, थिकनेस 5 सेंटीमीटर, वेट 900 ग्राम. लार्ज क्लॉट ऑफ द ब्लड 2 से 3 दिन में 18 सेंटीमीटर लंबा होगा, थिकनेस होगी 4 सेंटीमीटर, 600 ग्राम हो जाएगा. जबकि चेंजेस और कोई देखने के लिए मिले. वीक में 12 से 15 सेंटीमीटर है, 3 सेंटीमीटर थिकनेस हो जाएगी, 450 ग्राम हो जाएगा. अदर चेंजेस नहीं देखने के लिए मिलते. फोर्टनाइट में 10 से 12 सेंटीमीटर लंबा देखने के लिए मिलता है, थिकनेस देखने के लिए नहीं मिलती. वेट देखने के लिए मिलता है 300 ग्राम, अदर चेंजेस देखने के लिए नहीं मिलते. 6 वीक में 7 से 8 सेंटीमीटर देखने के लिए मिलती है लेंथ, थिकनेस 2 सेंटीमीटर, वेट 100 ग्राम. ठीक है। उसके बाद नॉर्मल शेप एंड साइज, चेंजेस इन द प्लेसेंटल साइड, ड्यूरेशन आफ्टर डिलीवरी 0 विद डायमीटर ऑफ यूट्रस इन द प्लेसेंटल साइड, अदर चेंजेस, डायमीटर कितना होगा 15 सेंटीमीटर विद जीरो, कोई दिन नहीं, तो 15 सेंटीमीटर विद डार्क कलर एंड कॉज ग्लैनुलर क्लॉटेड ब्लड, 2 वीक पे 3 से 4 सेंटीमीटर, 6 वीक पे 1 से 2 सेंटीमीटर, 8 से 9 वीक पे ओपनिंग ऑफ प्लेसेंटा। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है साइन ऑफ रिमोट डिलीवरी, साइन ऑफ रिमोट डिलीवरी इन लिविंग, चेंज इन ब्रेस्ट, निपल्स, एब्डोमिनल वॉल, वेजाइना एंड सर्विक्स, डेड में चेंज इन ब्रेस्ट एंड निपल्स, एब्डोमिनल वॉल, वेजाइना, सर्विक्स, इंटरनल एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ यूट्रस एंड सर्विक्स, साइन ऑफ रिमोट डिलीवरी इन द लिविंग, चेंज इन breast, lax, soft and pendulous, change in nipples, enlarged with a persistent dark area around them, and monogamy tubercle are usually present. Milk can be frequently squeezed from the nipples. It changes in the abdominal wall. Reaction shows the presence of linea abliquata or lateral aspect. There may be scar due to the old lacration of the perineum. Changes in vagina. Hymen is ruptured. Vagina open, gapping and on. Rugous vaginal wall present. Internal os changes in the cervix. Os uteri. Internal os is not well defined, while the external os is transfer irregular, fissured and may admit the tip of the finger. Sign of remote delivery in the dead. Change in breast, nipple, change in abdominal wall, change in vagina, change in cervix, internal examination of uterus, cervix organ, change in remote delivery organ में uterus, uterine wall, uterus में large thick and heavier होगा, uterine wall connected होगी inside से forming a wide and rounded cavity, top of the infundus concave with the height as level, length of uterine body twice the length of the cervical, cervix, cervical canal spindle shaped and has two mucosal fold, edge of the cervix, cicatritis, internal os not well defined, external os transfer irregular, fissure and may admit the tip of the finger. Medical legal importance of the delivery, the examination of women from the evidence of delivery should be undertaken only after obtaining her informed consent in dating. The establishment of the fact of delivery may become important in the following circumstances. Favored design delivery, a woman may pretend pregnancy and delivery and subsequent produce a child to claim inheritance to property. Abortion of infanticide, a woman is alleged to have aborted or delivered or killed a child. Concealment of the birth if a child have born to an unmarried woman or a man or out of wedlock, the woman might wish to conceal the child out of same legitimacy. Only a child born during the lawful wedlock within a competent time is known as legitimate child and is entitled to inherit the parents' property. Destructive charity, when an unmarried woman, a widow or wife living apart from her husband, is defeated or liable to have delivery a such child, she may like to vindicate herself. Blackmail, a woman may produce a supportive child and blackmail someone as father to export money. Legitimacy, medical legal importance. Legitimacy means the legal status of a person born in lawful wedlock. Legitimated child, the child who born during the continuance of a valid marriage between his brother and any man or within 260 days after his dissolution by the divorce or death of the husband and mother's remaining unmarried. Bastard child, the child who born out of the lawful wedlock or not within competent time after the dissolution of the marriage by divorce or death of the husband, or born within the lawful wedlock when procreation by the husband was not possible because he was under the puberty, he was physically incapable of procreation due to illness, malformation, impotency or sterility. He did not have sexual access to his wife during the time that the child could have been begotten. There is incompatibility between the blood group between the child and alleged father. Medical legal importance of legitimacy, nullity of marriage. Legally, marriage is contract and it can be nullified if either a party is under the age of marriage contract, either party is already validly married, both parties are of same age, either party was suffering from impotency, insensitivity, HIV infections, leprosy or venereal disease in a communicable form prior to marriage. Either party was so intoxicated at the marriage so as to understand the nature of the marriage contract. There is willful refusal to consummate marriage. They respond wife at the time of marriage was pregnant by any person other than her husband. Divorce, this means the dissolution of a previously valid marriage. The ground for divorce are the intrauterine age of the child proven to be the greater than the period of the excess between the parents' desertion, cruelty, criminal sex practice, rape, sodomy, etc. Incurable insanity, HIV infection, leprosy or venereal disease or incommunicable forms, appellative adoption, supportive children. तो यहाँ पे ये कंप्लीट हो गया. ठीक है, तो थैंक यू.